Hello everyone, I am back on YouTube. I hope you guys have all had the best week. I am going to be filming one of my favourite videos today, and it is how to make your outfits look more chic and more expensive. So I try and film one of these videos every spring, summer, autumn, winter, and just update it each time with lots of tricks and tips to elevate your outfits. So I'm conscious everybody has a different budget when it comes to their wardrobe. So I'll be showing you some high street pieces, some dupes which look really expensive but are amazing value for money. But I'll also be showing you how you can invest in some key designer pieces which will take you through the years. I will try and show you pieces that are in stock, but if they are out of stock I will also link an alternative, and I'll pop all those links down below in the description box. Do also follow me on Instagram at Sophie Louise's Diary. And I'm going to get started. So my first tip would be to stick to the classics. It's very easy to get sucked into trends or even micro trends when you're scrolling on Instagram or TikTok. Believe me, I've definitely worn a lot more chocolate brown and burgundy and popped some cherry red this season, so I'm definitely a victim to it. But I would say overall, try and stick to the classic pieces. So these are pieces which help you build your autumn winter capsule wardrobe. These are pieces which you will go back to year on year. A lot of my favourite pieces in my wardrobe are from years ago, and I often find my autumn winter wardrobe actually doesn't change that much year on year. I always buy new pieces, but the pieces are always quite similar. If you follow me over on Instagram or even on YouTube, you'll know that this is very much a very common outfit formula for me. I love a good wool coat. Obviously, I don't think you can get much more classic than a wool coat in autumn winter. I have millions of neutral wool coats, way too many, but I think they just make an outfit. They're never going to go out of fashion, and they always just look so chic. And I'm always pairing it with nice big knits. I love a good turtleneck. Again, I think it's very chic. I won't talk too much about knitwear because I will go on and talk about that a little bit more later on in this video. Also, I pair a lot of my outfits with a black skirt or black jeans or tailored trousers, and again, I go back to these year on year. Another classic is a wool blazer. I have been wearing these for years. This one actually is from last year, but they have re-released it. As I go through this video, by the way, I will link everything down below in the description box. But this is just such a classic. It's so chic. It smartens up any outfit. It really is an investment piece that's going to last you through the years. So the next thing I want to talk about is knitwear, and also good quality fabrics. So knitwear for me is such a central part of my autumn winter wardrobe. Not only do I like to be cozy, but I just think there is nothing nicer than a chic, cozy jumper or cardigan, and again, it's gonna stay with you for years to come. So the next few pieces I wanted to show you are from Lily Silk. So you may have heard me talk about this brand before because they just do the most gorgeous knitwear. So much of the knitwear in my wardrobe, which I go back to year on year, is from Lily Silk. The quality is gorgeous and the fabric is just to die for. So obviously I've been wearing this jumper so far throughout this video, and this is Lily Silk, and it's this really gorgeous camel colour. I have been wearing camel turtlenecks for years. I'm sure you will have seen me in them a lot, and I really love how chunky this one is. It's 100% cashmere, and you really can see that in the way it looks, but also the way it feels, and also the warmth of it. Showing you the details a little bit closer, the turtleneck is kind of like a roll neck. It's really lovely and thick. It's just a really gorgeous classic jumper. This will also look so nice paired with black jeans and then with a coat or a blazer on it, or alternatively with light colours like a white tailored trouser like I wore earlier in this video. So probably the most worn piece in my autumn winter wardrobe consistently is a black turtleneck. I just live in these. So it's important for me that I get a really, really lovely one. Again, this one, Lily Silk. This one is cashmere as well. This is so soft. The fabric is to die for. It's a really lovely fine knit. It's just gorgeous to wear. It's so soft and it's not too tight on the neck. Often I find with some turtlenecks I feel uncomfortable. Again, another classic. You're going to wear this for years and years to come. I will wear these under buckle jackets, blazers, coats, even cardigans. They just look fab with everything. Before I forget, I got both of these in a size extra small. The next knit I think you definitely need in your wardrobe is a cable knit. A cable knit gives very much an old money look. It's quite preppy. This is a crew neck, so it'd look really lovely layered over a shirt as well. And I love the grey colour. So this one is 30% cashmere and 70% Lana. It's a very classic fit. It's not oversized. Again, it's super, super soft and just has that luxury feel and look. What's really nice about a cable knit is I always think these type of jumpers look so nice tied over the shoulders. Again, such a classic preppy look. To dress this look up, I would add a little bit of tailoring. It would also look really nice with a grey wool coat as well. So obviously when it comes to knitwear, the quality of the fabric really makes a difference in making your outfits look more chic and expensive. And the last jumper I wanted to show you is this gorgeous beige one. This one is 75% cashmere, 25% silk. I absolutely love this colour paired with whites. I also really love how oversized this is. It's very relaxed. It's giving Cameron Diaz in The Holiday. I also really like that it's a little bit sheer. I have put a top underneath this, but you could wear it with a nude bra as well. So another way I think you can make your outfits look more chic is through tailoring. So whether it's a tailored blazer, a shirt, some tailored trousers, all of these pieces just make your outfits look that little bit smarter and also more chic and therefore more expensive. So first thing I want to show you is also Lily Silk, and these are the white silk tailored trousers. Again, another really, really gorgeous fabric which adds that luxe feel to your outfits. They also have these in a navy, which I have, but the white pair are just so gorgeous. They are giving old money, that just classic gorgeous feel. Looks so nice paired with this camel jumper. You could also layer a coat over this like so, and you are ready to go. A very, very chic outfit. I'm going to show you these trousers from further away just so you can see the bottom. How gorgeous are these? So I have just paired these with a little pair of slingbacks, but if you want to be warmer, you could pair them with some cream or white or kind of camel boots. I got these in a size UK 6, which is a US 2. Also, as a side note, can you believe it, this belt was £20, but I will chat more about this later on in the video when I talk about accessories. So as I mentioned earlier, a blazer can be so essential in your autumn winter wardrobe and can smarten up a look instantly. So one of my favourites is this Jevona camel blazer, or just a camel wool blazer will get you through autumn and winter for years and years. Let me show you this on. So this has instantly smartened up this look. It's add not only warmth but definitely a really lovely luxurious feel. And what I really love about wool blazers like this is they're really thick, so they almost like act like coats, or if you have an oversized coat you can layer these underneath. I also love a tweed oversized blazer. This one is from Rose Paris. I also really like pairing this with my black jersey leggings with my Massimo Dutti riding boots. I just feel like it just gives that really nice countryside feel. And very quickly I will show you this kind of a coat blazer hybrid. I did show you this in my last video, so I'll kind of talk very quickly about it, but this is Karen Millen. Really, really cozy, really gorgeous luxury feel. The fabric is so nice, and I got this in a size extra small, and again it looks really nice paired with jeans or leggings with knee-high boots. So the last tailored piece I'm going to talk about is a white classic tailored shirt. Again, another piece that you will probably wear for your whole life. You are never going to get tired of a white shirt, and they just look so chic when paired with something like jeans. They instantly style up a pair of jeans, they instantly smarten them up. This is the last piece I'm showing you from Lily Silk. It is 100% silk and it's a gorgeous fabric. It has this really lovely pearly sheen on it. I wonder if the camera is going to pick it up. It really is beautiful. I don't think the camera really picks up how beautiful this is. Again, it really is spending that little bit extra on these classic pieces because the fabric really does give that touch of luxury. Also, as I mentioned earlier, jumpers over the shoulders just add that extra little something to an outfit. I feel like it gives it a little bit more style. It's also quite practical in case you want another layer. The shirt is a size extra small. The jeans, in case you're wondering, are actually H&M. And I got these in a size 6. So one thing which is essential to elevating your everyday outfits is accessories. So not only do these add style to an outfit, but they also just give your outfits a luxury feel. One thing that I do like to invest in is accessories, and that is where kind of the area of my wardrobe where I do splurge a little bit more. I do have a little thing for designer handbags, and obviously this goes without saying, if you add a designer handbag to your outfit, your overall look is going to feel more expensive overall. But you can also invest in some more mid-range pieces or even some high street pieces which can elevate your look. One thing I absolutely love adding to an outfit, and I actually feel naked if I don't have, is a belt. I have a lot of belts. I do have some designer belts, but I also have some kind of mid-level range belts, and I also have a very cheap belt which was an absolute bargain. This one was from Amazon. I have it in black and in tan, and it looks just like the Hermes one. It's such a good dupe and the quality of it is really good for the price. I could not believe it. I probably will buy more of these. I did originally want the Hermes one, but now I'm starting to think that these Amazon ones are more than good enough. This one I'm wearing now is a Reiss one. I have this also in a creamy white colour as well, and I've had so much wear out of this. I think it was about £50. Also, if you do want to add a designer touch to your outfit, investing in a designer belt is a really good way to do it. If you don't want to splurge on a handbag, because a designer belt is probably around £250, £300, and it will definitely elevate your outfits, maybe even just as much as a handbag. So as well as handbags and belts, we can't forget footwear. So a new boot I have bought this season is from Massimo Dutti. I did touch on these in my last video, and I won't talk about them too much because I know that they are so difficult to get. I had to refresh the Massimo Dutti website probably, I'm gonna say, about, I don't know, it would have been over 50 times to get these. I do think you can get them in the dark brown a little bit easier, but I will link them in case you want to try. But yeah, I was tempted. Again, I have been lusting after the Hermes ones, but when I saw these, I thought, I don't need the Hermes ones. These are beautiful. I will also link some alternative flat knee-high boots because year on year, I just wear these to death. Also, when I want to be a little bit more dressed up, I will wear my heeled black knee-high boots. The ones I'm always wearing are from Jones Bootmaker because they make them in a slimmer calf. Also, when it comes to jewellery, I just stick to like a few everyday pieces. I would say it's worth investing a little bit. It doesn't have to be super expensive, but some of my favourite brands are like Monica Vinader, Missoma. They have some really lovely quality pieces that are going to last you years. rather than high street pieces, which are probably going to last you for weeks before going brownie orange. So as well as sticking to the classics, I would also say stick to the neutrals, because the more neutrals you have in the wardrobe, the more things are going to go together, the more likely you're going to be able to create an autumn winter capsule wardrobe, the less things you need to buy, which means you might be able to invest in maybe better quality pieces. And you can get really good quality pieces without spending loads. One shop which I think is amazing for good quality products on the high street is Abercrombie. They have the most gorgeous essentials for your wardrobe. Their tailored trousers are really good. I have them in so many different colours. They have really nice knitwear options. They have really lovely cardigans, buccal jackets that I've worn, and also coats, so I will link some of those below. Some neutral pieces in my wardrobe that I find myself going back to again and again is a camel coat. You will have seen me in a camel coat many times. It just instantly dresses up a otherwise boring outfit. You can wear this with a black jumper, a black trousers, black leggings, black skirt, and it instantly smartens up the outfit. Another piece which gives a real luxury feel is a cream coat. This looks so lovely paired with beiges and camels, and it also looks really lovely paired with black. This one, also Karen Millen, just gives a very luxe feel. The Karen Millen coats are a little pricey, but they really are worth it. Whenever I wear a Karen Millen coat, I get so many compliments because the quality really is amazing. They are such a good investment. Speaking of compliments, this is probably my most complimented coat. This is from Javona. It is just so gorgeous. I love how floaty it is. I love the sleeves. This I've had for about 3 years in different colours, so it just shows how good these types of pieces are, because you just love them for years and years, as I keep mentioning. So not only do I like creams and camels in my wardrobe, but black obviously is very easy to wear. It's very Parisian, very chic. You just can't beat a black coat sometimes. Another colour I really love in autumn winter is grey. I feel like a full grey outfit can look so chic, especially when it's paired with gold accessories, like a handbag with gold hardware. It just looks so beautiful. And again, chocolate brown is obviously the colour of the moment, but it is still a classic. And a chocolate brown blazer looks so gorgeous paired with jeans or leggings or a skirt, or you could wear a chocolate brown coat which looks just as chic. And as I mentioned earlier, burgundy is obviously such a current trending colour, but I've had my burgundy coat for years and I will still wear that for years to come. I got a new one from Abercrombie this year. I think I showed you that in my previous video. So even though those colours are trending, I would say that they are still classics. In my mind anyway, I would wear those colours for years to come as well. Again, when it comes to blazers, I generally stick to those classic colours. I did buy a burgundy one this year, but I do feel like it's verging on neutral burgundy. It's not too out there. And also tailored trousers, I mentioned the Abercrombie ones. I have those in black, navy, camel, like a grey. I also have the white lily silk ones, which are gorgeous. So that brings me to the end of my video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it gives you lots of ideas to elevate your own outfits. Do let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and do also let me know if there are any videos you would like to see next. I'm always open to new ideas, and I hope you have the loveliest rest of your week, and thank you for watching.